Alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Viewers, I hope that you all are in good health and good condition and have remembered last lesson, which was harakat, and harakat is still going on. Today we finished harakat Dhamma exercise part 6. First of all, with ta'awuz and tasmiyah. A'udhu billahi من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Exercise Dhamma. Ra Dhamma Ru, Sin Dhamma Su, Rusu, Lam Dhamma Lu, Rusulu, Rusulu, Waqfan, Rusul. As we discuss, Waqfan means stop. When we stop, so how do we stop here? Rusul, Rusulu, Waqfan, Rusul. Sin Dhamma Su, Dal Dhamma Du, Sudu. Sin Dhamma Su, whistle sound, whistle. Sudusu, Waqfan, Sudus. Fa Dhamma Fu, Qaf Kasraqi, Fuqi. Dal Fathada, Fuqida, Fuqida. Waqfan, Fuqid, Dal. On Dal, Qalqala. Qaf Dhamma Qu, Ta Kasrati, Quti. Lam Fathala, Qutila. Waqfan, Qutil, Qutil. Nun Dhamma Nu, Kaf Kasraki, Nuki. Sin Fathasa, Nukisa, Nukisa. Waqfan, Nukis. Kaf Fathaka, Ra Dhammaru, Karu. Mim Fathama, Karuma. Waqfan, Karum. Ain Dhamma'u, Lam Kasrali, Auli. Mim Fathama, Aulima, Aulima. Waqfan, Aulim. Ha Dhammahu, Dal Kasradi, Hudi. Ya Fathaya, Hudiya. Waqfan, Hudi.